guidelines by the ICMR that have been revised. Now, this primarily is around rapid antibody testing kits, and the ICMR has issued a protocol to all the states, essentially telling them that these rapid antibody test kits are to be used as a tool of surveillance. That's a very important guideline that has now been put out by the Indian Council of Medical Research, and a protocol that must be followed by all the states, as the ICMR has said that globally also the utility of this test is evolving, and it is currently being used for detecting the formation of antibodies in individuals. These test results are also dependent on field conditions. Now, as noted by the Indian Council of Medical Research, these tests cannot replace the RT-PCR test to diagnose COVID-19 cases. However, ICMR has assured assistance to collect data from various states to assess the scope and extent of utility of these rapid antibody tests in field conditions, and ICMR shall keep advising the states on a regular basis. Piyush, my colleague, is picking up more inputs on this. Piyush, quickly to recap for our viewers and tell us in detail about this revised guidelines that have been issued by the ICMR to all the states.
Well, absolutely, it's important to understand the kind of guidelines which has been issued by Indian Council of Medical Research, where it has mentioned that it has been advising the governments across the state and also central government about the kind of usage of rapid antibody testing. And what we are learning today, after putting the rapid testing antibody test on hold, today ICMR has suggested the governments that it's important to understand that this testing, rapid antibody testing, can only detect formation of antibody in an individual, and it can be used to keep surveillance on patients. What is more important here is that it has made it very clear that antibody rapid testing kits cannot replace the testing which is mandated for COVID-19. So, important statement coming in from Indian Council of Medical Research, and I would like to quote from the press note which has been officially issued by Ministry of Health and Family Affairs, in which ICMR has mentioned that, and I quote, "It is reiterated that antibody rapid tests are largely to be used as a tool for surveillance. Globally, also utility of this test is evolving, and it is currently being used for detecting the formation of antibodies in individuals. The test results are also dependent on field conditions, as noted by ICMR. These tests cannot replace the RT-PCR test to diagnose COVID-19 case." So that's very important, where it is mentioning that these tests cannot replace the RT-PCR test to diagnose COVID-19 cases. Now, that's an important statement coming in. We know that ICMR had put these testings on hold for 2 days and had advised state governments not to do and not go for these tests, because there were many cases coming in from different parts of the country, from different states, where the states were complaining that the rapid antibody test is not able to detect the patients if they are positive of COVID-19. And looking at that, after receiving many complaints, now ICMR has revised its guidelines, where it has mentioned that it can only be used to keep surveillance and also to detect formation of antibodies in an individual.
Oh yes, Piyush, these are very important details coming in, especially at a time when there aren't as many testing kits. Also, to draw that line of difference between those who are suffering from COVID-19 and the kind of tests that are conducted on them, vis-a-vis for the government and for the states to really monitor the rate of increase of COVID-19, and how the ICMR putting it at very straight that this should be used as a tool of surveillance and cannot be compared to the RT-PCR tests.
Well, absolutely. It has been now made it very, very clear by Indian Council for Medical Research, where it has mentioned that it can only be used for surveillance and can also be helpful in detecting formation of antibody in an individual. It cannot replace the test mandated for COVID-19. That's the clear instruction, clear advisory which has been issued by ICMR. We know that for the last many days, many researches are being conducted not only in Delhi but also across the country, where it is being trying to ascertain as to what would be the major process of testing the patients. And not only this, but also work on vaccine is going on. So looking at what's actually happening across the country, there are many other labs also who have been indulged in testing exercises. So now ICMR has issued a proper guideline saying that antibody rapid testing kits cannot be used to test COVID-19